Hi everyone, Ryan Dement here. I wanted to show you the video that'll help you import your files into the TruExchange platform. So let's get started. So we're in the Files tab, and all we're going to do is move over to the Take File Import. We are going to select, excuse all my junk, this is just a test file. Now you can label the source wherever you want to put it. You want to create a new source, we can call it test file, hit save, click out of it, and then there you go. Now you're going to retrieve assets from third-party sources after import. It's automatically checked because we're going to be using those. And this is our legal disclosure. We just need to let you know that the information that's coming in is not at our control, and this is also part of beta testing, so you need to select this before going forward. Alright, so top rows here is the artificial intelligence at work. It's learning, and you can see this is the headers of the actual file that I just imported. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. I like just to have 15 rows. I don't need to see everything. I just need to make sure these are mapped right. So you can see here first name, last name, address, city, state, pretty much on point there. Zip code, principal balance, it didn't recognize it, so you just come up here, you click it, and you can use outstanding balance. Ignore that, that's just a excuse me, a rounding error. Interest rate, current interest rate, principal and interest payment, got it. Origination date is unmapped, so we need to go to loan close date. Original amount, original loan amount. Lien position, this is going to have to be type. And if you guys don't find a header in here that you truly need, that you can't live without, go ahead and go up to the contact us, click on Zendesk and send us a message and tell us what it is, and we can actually add it. If it's something that you can live without, that's fine. We can add it later, but we also are going to be giving you the opportunity to freeform these here in the next upgrade. So I'm looking forward to that. Next payment due date, last payment received, first payment due, maturity date, all mapped. Loan type, again, it's just going to be type for the time being. You can reselect it again. Property value, we do not have loan to value because we already calculate that. Mortgage legal status, and this is loan status. This would also be type. We're going to get those updated. And then comments is from the servicer, so if you wanted to actually see that, we have that there. And then the rest of it is just a payment history, and I typically don't map that, but you can see that it's come all the way through. So then we're just going to scroll down, hit the import button, and now Zillow is out working on the API right now. So on a file this large, it's going to take a few moments. So if you saw, and it already brought back one already, if you actually see files that you want to go after immediately, because you can also, so this will also be part of your search. You can do alphabetical order. You can filter if you just want to do Florida. You'll have Florida come in. So it's pretty easy to do. But if, let's say you wanted to look at this house in Miami right here, it doesn't have, oh, the estimates already came in. So it already came in already, so it was ready to go. But if you didn't have one, let's go back to, excuse me, the assets. Let's find the one that doesn't have one, this one right here. You can see that it doesn't have any estimates. All you do is request it. Oh, and there's no Zestimate available, so there you go. So Zillow does not have any information on this property. So there's another one of those items that you got to look at to figure out what's going on. And when you get the extended data, I don't see anything either. So this could be, let's verify the address. Address is valid. Let's take a look. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't come up with an address unless it's this empty field here. So here again, this is another one of those things off of validating data, and that's why we're having you look at everything to make sure that you can actually find the information and it actually works, because clearly our APIs are not being able to find it. Netter Online brought in, and then Realtor.com brought in the information. So there you go. That will conclude this video, and I will get back to the next video and I'll start showing you more of how to organize your dashboard and your assets. Have a good one.